Hello. Today I'm going to show you a classic thing. An awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you as a really classic thing. It is a watch. It is a classic watch. But it is a digital sport watch. The Casio F91W-1 classic resin strap digital sport watch. Digital sport watch in rectangle case featuring alarm, chronograph functions and night light. 33mm resin case with mineral dial window, quartz movement with digital display. It is water resistant and ribbed resin band with buckle closer. Measuring modes included net time, split time, and first and second place times. Functions including 1 to 100 seconds digital stopwatch, hourly time signal, outer calendar, and day/date options. Accuracy of plus minus 30 seconds per month. It is a standard watch. It is not the high-end watch, of course. A tried and true style, great for casual wear. With its daily alarm, hourly time signal, and outer calendar, you will never need to worry about missing an appointment again. Black casual classic watch with a resin band in it. F91W1 classic designed by Casio. And it is really easy to set up. You have only 3 buttons. On the left side you have the light button. Under it you have the clear button. On the right side you have then the second button. For example, you can choose. That means if you are going to set up the display, and you can choose what you are going to do, is on the left upper side you can see the light options. Here you can see night light at a green surface, a little bit of green, LED power. It's not LED, I think. Maybe it's a standard chronographic thing there. Then you have the mode button on the left up and down side, and on the right side you have the alarm on off button. Here you can press and switch between 24 and 12-hour option. If you're going to the mode button on the left side, you can see, first click, you can see the alarm. Then you can switch the right button to set up the alarm on or off. And if you're continue pressing on the left down side, you can choose the hours of the alarm by choosing with the left button and set up with the right button. That means you can perform the setup by pushing the left button and program the setup with the right button. To switch between hours and minutes, this you can perform with the light button. But it's easy. It looks a little bit hard, but it's easy to perform. Really easy. You will learn this fast by trying. No problem with it, really. It is so easy to check out. Then you have stopwatch. Then you can use the stopwatch by choosing on the left side, starting on the right side. It is the same procedure every setup here. First set up left side, then perform right side, and if you like to clear, for example, the stopping watch thing, you can use the light button. Easy, as you can see. To enter into the setup all menu, you have to push often on the left side until the seconds are flashing. Then you can use the light button to navigate to the minutes, to the month, to the day, and then the thing to set up each value is the right button. I hope you understand me. But you can see it on the video, isn't it? You have different kind of specifications. Accurate at the normal temperature, plus minus 30 seconds a month. Regional timekeeping mode, hour, minute, second, AM, PM, data and day. Calendar system is auto calendar set at 38 days for February. Daily alarm mode, hourly time signal function, stopwatch mode, measuring capacity is 59 minutes and 99 seconds. Measuring is unit 1 to 100th of a second. Measuring modes, normal time, net time, split time, and first and second place times. And the battery inside is one lithium battery type CR 2016. Accept model is 1271BR 2020. And the module 1271 only. Approx 7 years operation on type CR 2016. Accept model 1271. 10 years operating on the type BR 2020. This is a long time, 10 years for one little watch. Maybe this you have to think about if the first battery is gone here. Okay. Assume alarm operation for 20 seconds per day and one light operation for 1 second per day. But 10 years, this is long. This is really long. Wow. Okay, this is a standard and classic watch by Casio. And this name is F91W-1. It is a classic watch and it is all watch standard based you will need. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.